It works well for products that create excitement among early adopters. Okay, or it's best used in introduction or early growth stage of product life cycle. And electronic items we have already discussed, like Apple commonly uses this price scheme. And what market conditions are required for price skimming to work? So the product needs to have a high quality and brand image to support a high price. Do you agree with this? That these are the market conditions that are required for price skimming. The quality of the product should be high and the brand image should be good. Then only you can support a high price. There should be enough buyers prepared to pay the high price. Okay, it's a technological product. It's a product which has like high price, but then you have your development cost also that you are trying to recover by market skimming. There should be, you know, enough number of customers who are prepared to pay that high price. Okay. And the competitors must be deterred from being able to enter the market with a similar product and undercutting the price schema. Are you able to understand these 3 points? Or do you have any confusion regarding this? Product quality should be high, brand image should be good, so that wo high price if you are charging, then the customer should be ready to pay that. Okay, and there should be enough number of customers who are prepared to pay the high price. जो competitors हैं वो अभी तुम्हारे market में enter ना कर पाए. Then only these are the, you know, perfect conditions. Then only, you know, these market conditions are required if you are going for price skimming. Okay, for price skimming basically to work. So the basic economical principle for just 1 second is that not every customer places the same value on a product or service. Initial the value pricing can maximize unit sales, but जो potential revenue है high value customers की वो नहीं मिलेगा तुम्हें अगर तुम value pricing पे जाओगे. But when you go for premium prices, you skim the market, and over time you also attract remaining customers because over time you drop the prices. So this is the strategy behind price skimming. So what are the drawbacks? Do you see that there are any downsides of price skimming? What could be the possible drawbacks for price skimming? So the early high prices leads to high profit margin that may encourage competitors to enter the market. Okay, there is this opportunity and you are getting, you know, good revenue, but then, you know, you come in the eye of competitors that if you have this something which is so lucrative, something which is so profitable, that will encourage competitors to enter the market. Okay, because you are getting high profit margin. So there is, you will not be able to take advantage of the learning curve. Because starting May, you will not get too many, you know, customers. You will not be selling too many products. So the learning curve, that cost, you know, decrease in cost, that you will not get through learning curve. And early high prices reduces the speed at which this product diffuses to the market, because there are fewer purchasers and you know, word of mouth marketing nahi hogi, and then so the diffusion through the market will be slow. Okay, there is one example for price skimming. Okay, for this only, and you have to do this calculation. Just take a screenshot or just take a picture of this. So this is Rolex smartwatch. And we are assuming that will be selling 10,000 watches. Okay, and हम क्या करेंगे 12 months में, in 12 months we are going to sell all these 10,000 watches, and we will adjust the price on first. For example, January, February, March है तो हर एक महीने के first day 1 पे हम प्राइस को एडजस्ट करेंगे. बेसिकली वी विल डिक्रीज द प्राइस. ओके, and we are assuming that we will sell all 10,000 watches in 12 months. So how you can do it in Excel solver? So first you have to enter these trial prices. आप स्टार्ट करते हो कि 10,000 प्राइस पे भी आप सेल करोगे. 10,000 प्रोडक्ट्स तो आप सेल नहीं करोगे, बट योर स्टार्टिंग प्राइस यू विल टेक एज 10,000. And these are the random numbers you have to enter. You can enter any number, like random number, but उससे कम होना चाहिए, because you know that in price scheming you have to decrease the price over time. But it should be, you know, near to this 10,000 only. Just fill in those numbers, and what you have to create first is you have to create this Excel. यहाँ पर ये तुम्हारे ये रैंडम नंबर्स हैं, ये जो तुमने फिल किए, एंड जनवरी टू दिसंबर, these are the random numbers you will fill yourself. First should be 10,000. Highest value left. This is basically this 10,000. Sorry. This is basically this price or whatever. You can take this price minus 1. This is the highest value left. For example, अगर तुम minimum value से start करो कि 10,000 पे तुम्हारी एक watch है that what you have priced, and एक customer 1st January month में लेता है, and if he buys, then highest value कितनी remaining है. So after 1 month, people valuing the product will be 9,999 or less. Okay. You have to keep track of the highest price valuation person that is left after 1 month. This is highest value left. So basically 10,000 minus 1 karna and just drag this formula. Similarly for units sold, you have to do just C2 minus 33. That is whatever the number of units are sold. And then you calculate revenue, that is price into units sold. Okay.
So ma'am, how we have took this units sold?
This is this minus this. 10,000 minus this. 10,000. These are the units.
Price minus highest value left.
This minus this. This minus this.
Okay.
Highest value left. ठीक है. उसके बाद this is just you are building a model. ठीक है. और यहाँ पर sum कर देना. This is the revenue. अब क्या करना है? अब तुम्हें solver में कुछ values डालनी है. What you have to do is you have to maximize this revenue, okay, and you have to put some conditions by changing cells. These cells, ये price की values change करके, all these things you have to just put in solver कि मेरा revenue maximize करें by changing the values of these prices, and then you
revenue कैसे है? मैम ये revenue कैसे है?
Revenue is price into units sold. This price into this unit sold. That's it. Okay. And then you have to put just 3 conditions कि तुम्हारा जो ये price है, this should be greater than or equal to 1. Basically आप ₹1 से कम पे किसी को free में नहीं दे रहे हो, and should be less than or equal to 10,000 because this is the highest price that you are going for. And this should be equal to integer. ये 3 condition करना and then solve it, okay, solver के through. And then in next class you can discuss, or on WhatsApp group you can share the output you get. Okay, now all those who want to present can do. I'll just stop sharing my screen.